first na snow dali. Excited ako. Welcome. Snow. So, this is first time na ako nakakita ng snow. Actual snow yun. So, nigawas ako. Okay. Para ma-document ni. Yep. Ang lasa murag. Kita yung kamot. Nindot siya nga murag mga puti ang lupad. Maglisod ga explain, but I'm so happy. Yeah, Isabel, there's snow here. It's snowing, and they said it's gonna last whole night, so we can play snowball fight tomorrow. You should come here to my town. Yeah. Whew, it's so cold. I need to go back inside now. But yeah, first time, first snow sa Canada. I really had to take a break. Na ako sa ako trabaho, nag-break na dyan ko katanaw ko kagawas. Nga na po din mo feel. But yeah, it's cool. So na sa office. YouTube na kayo. Hi. You see? Tawad rin. Sige kayo. Bye for now.